Alright guys, so this is part 2 of slime RNG. I mean not part 2. Part 4 I think. And guys, if you think I should keep making these videos, tell me in the comments, because I actually got so many subscribers for making these videos, so I'm just gonna make a whole episode of these. I'll make a playlist of it. Alright, and we're gonna go and jump in. What do you have? Let's see what I can upgrade. Wait, I can actually go in there. Oh, that's just low. So noisy. Yeah, I'm just turning these off. It's actually so noisy. Because I don't think you can hear me that great. I'll turn that off. That's better. But how do we equip the slime gun? Oh, there. Oh, I just tapped. Oh, it's actually, wait, just for the sound over here. Oh. Okay, this is lucky good. And it just, it gives you free shift lock. That's good. And it literally just turns me wherever the enemies are. Bro, this thing is so powerful, I'm telling you. You should buy this. It's so good. Gunpowder. I might get... What is it? Okay, let's see how fast... That is the biggest scam. Do not buy that. It's so terrible. Don't buy the walk speed. It's so bad. Wait. Can I just upgrade my... Oh, God. Yeah, I might have to zoom out. Yeah. Okay. Finally. Oh, that's too much. Over. Okay, that's okay. I'm not buying that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be quiet, so I'm turning off the mic.